How to fix not enough printer memory available to print the page on your Microsoft Office application. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're having this issue, here are some methods by which you can fix it. The step number 1 would be updating your printer memory settings. For this, just follow the steps. Right click on your start button and click on settings. Once you open settings, go to Bluetooth and devices. After that, click on printers and scanners. Choose your default printer, which could be HP, Canon or OneNote. Then after, click on printer properties. After that, you have to go to the device settings tab. Find in printer memory and set it to the highest value, which is 32 MB. Then click on apply and then on OK. Now try printing the document again and you should be good to go. If it does not work, let's move on to the step 2. For this, you have to check for the print spooler settings. This is available on the services application. So to open services application, you have to click on the search bar, or you could just open the run dialog box. Then after, type in services.msc and hit the enter button. This will ask you for the permission of administrative privileges. Make sure to tap on yes. Now once the services tab is open, you have to specifically search for this service called as print spooler. Once the print spooler is found, you have to go to its properties and ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. If not, change it to automatic. Click on apply and then stop and restart the print spooler service. Once you restart your computer as well, try to open the Microsoft Office application again and print it. However, if it does not work, the third solution would be going to the device manager and updating your printer driver. In order to do so, you have to first go to the print queues section and then right click on the printer and select update driver. Choose search automatically for driver, and this will install any available updates in a fraction of seconds. Then after, you just have to restart your computer and the issue is fixed. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.